I don't know who needs to hear this, but as an esthetician, and a skincare brand owner, I want to share with you something that perfect skin does not exist. And the way your skin looks, your skin's health, it's not only what you apply on your skin. So, for example, I have a rosacea. I didn't have rosacea in the last year because I got rid of. But lately, I had a lot of stress. I haven't changed my routine or products, nothing. The only thing what happened, I got stressed. I didn't sleep well, and I ate some crappy food, which I'm very, 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 very sensitive. Here is the thing, girls or gentlemen, guys, whoever is watching this, don't overbeat yourself. And I don't have filter right now. I don't have any makeup. As you see, here is close up. Here I have rosacea, a little bit redness over here, not much, a little bit on the forehead. I don't have any filter. I want to be real and I want to be authentic. Don't beat yourself up if something is not perfect in your life. If your skin is not perfect, if your body is not perfect, if your nails, hair, lashes, brows, stretch marks, cellulite is not perfect, if you're not perfect, perfection does not exist. Nobody's perfect unless you're God. And if you're God, let me know. I just wanted to say I love you guys so much. It's way more important how beautiful you are inside you, how you treat other people, how you make other people feel, how you look at yourself, how much you love yourself. Even though I have this, I love my life, I love my business, I love my employees, I love my boyfriend, I love my dog. Look how cute she is. It's just all this beauty comes within. Yes, here matter, I understand. But when we have days that we're like, oh, why my skin is like this? Why my stretch marks? Why my cellulites? Why my ass is small or big? Why my boobs are sagging? Why this and this and this? Just remember that nobody's perfect. Someone out there will love to be you because someone can't see. Someone can't walk. Someone is dying right now on the bed, has last few hours left. Remember this. Remember, people will love to be in your shoes right now. I love you. I love you so much. Be loved.